Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we have stuffed mussels, and don't worry, all ingredients below in my info box. We are gonna need mussels, butter, parsley, garlic, cheese, salt and pepper to taste. These mussels are pre-cooked and I'm only going to need half of the shell. And I'm going to put them in a tray that will go to the oven. Now I'm going to put salt and pepper to taste. Let's put it aside. And now I'm going to make the sauce that we need over the mussels later. In a pan, add oil and butter. I'm adding oil because in this way the butter doesn't burn. Now we are going to add garlic. Stir and don't stop moving until the garlic is cooked and lightly brown. You can turn off the heat at this time, but continue stirring, okay? Now I'm going to be adding some parsley. And now let's put this sauce in a bowl. And here we have the sauce. And with a spoon, we will place the sauce on the mussels. I remind you guys that these mussels are pre-cooked. If you buy raw mussels closed in their shell, just cook them in boiling water until the shells are opened. Now let's add the cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese, but you can use any cheese that melts, okay? Let's put parsley on top. And it's time to take the tray with mussels to the electric oven, but you can use the conventional one. And we are gonna let them cook until the cheese melts and is golden brown. And guys, this is the final result of my stuffed mussels. They smell really good and they were delicious, guys. You have to try this recipe. If you like my recipe, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media. And here I have a cookie for my dog. Her name is Candy. She's my Coton de Tuliar. She has own videos every Saturdays here on my channel, and she's with me every Wednesdays with my recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.